Let's explore how to use the AWS Pricing Calculator Tracker. Start by obtaining AWS estimates for your project using the AWS Pricing Calculator. You'll need the calculator link and a PDF export of your estimate. Easy, right? Open the web application and sign up. Validate your account using the one-time code sent to your email. Once logged in, navigate to the right section to submit an estimate. Enter a few key details: project name, description, calculator link, and upload the PDF file. The entry is immediately reflected in the left section. Let's say you made changes to your estimate, such as adding a database layer. Add a new estimate for the same project, and the system ensures it's recorded as a new version. Now you have a history of all changes to your project estimates, complete with snapshots of pricing in PDF format. Access the AWS Pricing Calculator link or download PDFs anytime. They're securely stored in your account. You can validate by logging back in. Click Analyze to view recommendations and insights for your estimates. For more details, refer to the detailed blog and GitHub repository to deploy this tracker in your own AWS account.